I'm excited to introduce our award-winning services, piRide and piRobot, reshaping industry globally. piRobot AI as a services optimize manufacturing and logistics with AI robotics, cutting operation costs and reducing manpower wastage by 43%. piRide mobility as a service leverages AI and digital twin enhance urban mobility, achieving an 88% reduction in headway deviation and a 15% cut in travel and fuel costs. Our strategic partnership with NVIDIA, and many global leaders have propelled us to solve pressing challenges like congestion and pollution, positioned us as leaders in AI and robotics. We are here to turn challenges into opportunity, making your dreams come true with a commitment to innovation and excellence. We continue to drive forward, impacting both industry and community and enhancing your quality of life. Thank you.